Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, access tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. In this pop-up, in order to enable location, click on Turn on Location on the right. In order to disable it though, select Close on the left. I will go with Close, so when I click and go back, I can see that location of my Vivo is disabled. You can always enable it by tapping on the same No White shortcut. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Location section. Then tap on this switcher at the top to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!